Lonnie Washler. Time to wake up.
Ah!
Get up.
Fine. Why couldn't you give me 10 more minutes of sleeping?
Guys, someone left hot dogs out. Looking at you.
There, they're gone. Let me go back to sleep.
Okay, I'm making breakfast. Don't sleep too long. Ding! Lonnie, someone's at the door. Can you go get it?
No, I'm sleeping. You go get it.
I'm making breakfast.
Well, I'm not getting it, Lonnie.
Lonnie.
I'm in flour.
Lonnie, go get it.
I ain't getting it, Flower. You're getting it.
Fine. But I swear to God, next time you're getting it.
Whatever.
Sophia?
Hi, Flower.
Hi. You actually just made it in time. I just finished breakfast.
I told you I would be coming to visit.
Huh?
I told you I would be coming to visit.
I forgot.
Anyway, so who is your new friend?
Her name is Lonnie.
Ooh, can I meet her?
She's a little sleepy and cranky right now.
Okay.
Come on in.
This house is so big.
Thank you. I actually rebuilt this whole entire house by myself with no help.
Wait, where was your friend at the time?
Vacation.
Well, I can't believe that my mom let me travel all the way to Bloxburg to see you.
Well, that was nice of Mom. Lonnie, come get your breakfast.
Okay, I'm coming down. I just gotta brush my hair.
Okay, my sister's here, by the way.
Okay, I don't really mind her being here.
Do you want water with your breakfast?
Sure, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, I'm here.
Hey, Lonnie.
Oh wait, this is who's it?
That's my sister's seat.
Okay. Hi.
That's Lonnie. Sophia, Lonnie.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I'm Lonnie.
So, Sophia, you were telling me that Mom let you come?
Yeah, she said that as long as you're here, I could stay.
Well,
I'm staying for like 2 days, and then Mom's gonna come get me.
Okay.
Me and Marigold's brother, we kind of played a little bit before we left.
What game did you guys play?
We played Survive the Killer.
Oh, that seems like a really scary game.
No, it was actually really fun. He invented it.
Oh. Lonnie, why aren't you eating your breakfast?
Oh, I'll eat it. I was listening to your sister.
So do you want to go look around the house, Sophia, and eat your breakfast later?
Sure.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll meet you guys there.
Okay. Sophia, this is the exercise room. Over here.
I'm coming.
Over here's the laundry room.
Nice. You built this all by yourself?
Yep. And then upstairs, as soon as you walk up, right into the living room.
Wow. It's unlike our house back in Brookhaven.
Yep. And then over here is the bathroom.
Oh, wait, I can't get in. I had to lead her in. She couldn't get in.
Okay. And then over here is this room.
My room, yeah. Here's my room. Whoa, it's all green like marigold!
I got her snow globes for Christmas.
And there was a closet over here, but...
Yeah, we had some trouble with it.
Yeah, and do you want to know what trouble we had? What? Flower, you tell her.
We had locked in the closet.
Well, I was locked in the closet. Flower literally tried everything to get me out.
I literally pushed the closet off the balcony.
Yet it still didn't budge.
I had to hit it with a sledgehammer 10 times just for the mechanism to break.
Yeah, and then she left me outside in there still. Thankfully, I was able to get. Thankfully, she let me out a little bit later.
Yeah. Anyways, over here's my room.
I love the birds on the walls.
And then over here is the balcony that I was talking about.
It's nice. It doesn't have much, but I like it.
Yeah.
Maybe a little idea for it is that maybe you could put some like relaxing chairs on it.
Oh, well, actually, that's a good idea.
'Cause Mom bought some for our house.
How about you guys come inside? It's snowing outside.
Yeah, it's cold.
You were saying that Mom bought chairs?
For the balcony, yeah.
How much money were they?
They were just like $8.
$8 for chairs. How lucky. Here, everything is expensive. It's above $100.
Well, this is like an expensive town, so.
Very. The bills are even expensive.
You have to pay $287 just to pay them.
My bills today, guess how much they were, Sophia?
How much?
$338.
What?
Yeah, a lot.
That's more than average.
Yeah.
We never had to pay those bills back in Brookhaven.
Yeah, I know. We still have some decoration, for Christmas. Here, watch some TV.
Okay.
And put on a unicorn's show.
Your sister is so cute.
I know. I mean Marigold's brother.
Ah.
So.
Marigold's brother? Okay.
Yeah, oh wait, someone at the store when I was getting food said that there's gonna be a new neighbor moving into our block soon.
Ooh, I can't wait to meet them.
Yeah, I know.
Ah!
Sophia?
A horror movie just turned on!
What?
A horror movie just turned on!
Oh no!
Okay, put back on her unicorn, or just put back on her unicorn show.
Oh wait, the news just turned on.
It says serial killer on the loose.
Sophia, go into my bedroom.
Okay.
Lonnie, this is bad.
I know. And it could possibly be our new neighbor moving in.
We need to occupy ourselves and go somewhere for now.
We can't stay in this house.
No, we need to take Sophia somewhere fun where she can have fun.
Or we could just take her back home.
Brookhaven, a long ways.
Well, and by walk, yeah, but if you drive by car, it's only 2 hours away. Oh Oh my god. Go. Hi.
You stay with Sophia. You stay with Sophia. I got this.
Oh, hi, Lonnie. Stay quiet. What's wrong? Just stay quiet.
Hey. Oh, you're the new neighbor. How are you? Oh, hi. You must be the new neighbor. What's your name?
I'm Jonathan.
Hey. My name's Flower.
I heard that you had a girl living with you.
Yeah, but that's nothing to worry about.
Well, maybe I might just have to kill you.
Whoa. You step any foot in here, my bodyguards will end you.
Oh, where are your bodyguards, huh?
They're everywhere. They can see you right now.
Ah, you won't get me. I will still kill you.
What about my snipers?
Whatever, Flower Annie.
Get out of here. Lonnie! Lonnie, hold on. Can you cover Sophia's ears?
Okay. Why are you covering my ears?
Nothing. It's okay. Just give us a sec.
Okay. Okay.
Lonnie, the new neighbor is...
What?
I was out there talking to him. I said my name. And then he says, after I told him that I had my sister living with us, he said, I'm just gonna have to kill you. I had to make up some lies, said I have bodyguards and snipers. Grab Sophia.
Let's go.
Hold on. Where's it? Okay, I got my gun.
What's going on?
Nothing, Sophia. You're fine.
What? The power went out.
To the fireplace. It should still be on. The fireplace is still on. The flames just went out.
We gotta get out of here.
Quickly, take Sophia downstairs. Come on.
Where are we going? Somewhere.
Nowhere. We're going to the park, Sophia.
Flower, why aren't you telling her the truth?
I told her. I can't have her getting really worked.
Okay, let's go. What are we doing? The park's the park's the other way.
Oh, we're just gonna go get some food real quick.
Okay. How are we gonna survive this? We have to leave the neighborhood.
No, get a car first.
Come on, you guys coming?
Hold on. Look behind you. The new neighbor.
Run!
Hey, Sophia, we're gonna go jogging. Come on, we're gonna jog.
Who's that behind us?
Just a friend. We're jog racing.
And right now I'm winning.
Yup. Hey, how about we head to Pizza Planet to get some food? There's sure to be a lot of people there.
Yeah.